At ZLINE, our philosophy of attainable luxury is to provide every homeowner with an elevated, high-end experience at an exceptional value. We want to bring an unparalleled culinary experience into the center of your home to enjoy for years to come. That's why we're providing the industry's first lifetime warranty on all ZLINE range hood motors and all ZLINE burners. Buy with confidence knowing the top-tier performance you purchase today will be yours for a lifetime. After all, luxury isn't meant to be desired. It's meant to be attainable.